Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to make another zine using materials that you should be able to find very easily around your home or inexpensively at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to be creating what are called explosion books. So they are little booklets that have the ability, when they open up, to explode. So you've got this little bit of origami folding happening inside between two pieces of cardboard that have come out of my recycling bin that have been covered with paper. And these are a lot of fun. You can do a lot with them. Children love to make these. And inside you can put pictures, little drawings, some written prose or poetry. Really what you include in these explosion books is only limited by your imagination, and they're very simple to make once you've had the opportunity to do it a couple times. So just open that up the wrong way. So these ones are kind of ready to be either worked on some more before gifting, or they can be gifted as they are so that the recipient can then go ahead and use them as a place to store their photographs, their writing, their artwork. All right, so to begin with, you need 2 pieces of cardboard, and this is just a cardboard box that I cut down 4.5 by 4.5 inches. I need 2 pieces of paper that are going to line the inside of the covers, 4 inches by 4 inches. And I need 3 sheets of paper to create the inside of the explosion book, 8 inches by 8 inches. And then for the cover, for this project, I am using a photocopy of scrapbooking paper that I picked up at a craft store. So they have beautiful sheets of paper. They're usually 12 by 12 in size, and they can, be as inexpensive as 79 cents a sheet up to a couple of dollars per sheet. But personally, I find it's often hard to use the papers up because they're so beautiful, and I don't want to use them up. So what I'll do is I'll make a photocopy of them, and so that I can use them in multiple different projects. And I also find too that by photocopying them, that with the copy paper, it's thinner than the scrapbooking paper, so it's easier to manipulate with these types of projects. All right, so let's get started.